Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of culinary excellence with the T-fal Platinum Non-Stick Cookware Set, a 12-piece collection designed to elevate your cooking experience. This set boasts our longest-lasting platinum non-stick coating, which is 10 times more resistant than T-fal's basic coatings, ensuring it stands the test of time. Included in this versatile set are 8.5 and 10.5-inch fry pans, 1 and 2 quart covered saucepans, a 3.5 quart covered sauté pan, a 6 quart covered Dutch oven, a spoon, and a spatula, all crafted to unleash your culinary creativity. With Thermo-Spot Technology, you'll know exactly when your pans are perfectly preheated for that flawless sear every time. The riveted stainless steel handles provide a comfortable grip, while the vented glass lids trap heat and moisture, maintaining visibility for superior performance. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction, the even heat base prevents hot spots, and with oven safety up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, this dishwasher-safe set ensures quick and easy maintenance. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, the T-fal Platinum Cookware Set is your ticket to a seamless and enjoyable cooking journey. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.